Good morning. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com, and today is Thursday, September 15th, 2016, and it is 8:41 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to start our pre-market game plan with YM. And looking at YM, so yesterday we had a sell. We tested the prior support area to the left of the chart from the prior day's trading session, and we continued lower into the Asian session till about 10 o'clock at night. And from that point on, we continued an uptrend, and right now we are into a heavy area of resistance at 18,000. Now, the point is that if we consolidate bullishly at this 18,000, and the more we stay and test this area and even try to push above this area, we have room to continue for about 50 points. It's not going to be an easy ride, but we need the catalyst behind it. We did have some economic releases that came in at 8:30. We had core retail sales here in the States. We had retail sales, and we had unemployment claims. So we have had some economic releases. Now it all depends on how the market digests these numbers in order to move forward to the next target into 1850. But this is going to be the line in the sand for today. So for bullish, I will look for a potential break of 18,000 to the upside. So the entry would be 18,000. I would probably use a stop at 80 or 75 or 80, and I'm going to look for a continuation for higher into 18,049. But I will have to wait and see how the 18,000 area reacts at this point. So we need the price to hold 80 and to break above 18,000 in order for us to continue higher. However, if we decide to continue lower and the price will test the 17,980, I will look for a short. And my targets for the shorts are going to be all the way into 17,890. These are going to be my targets for today for a short bias. Let's move on to ES. Because we're testing these areas, and we might even get a move before the New York session. All right, so with ES, we had a downward move yesterday. We continued the same as we continued in YM till about 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and we rallied. We are into another resistance area at 2121. If we break above this area, so the entry that I'm looking for is going to be 2123. It has room to continue higher into 2130. If this area is not going to hold and the price is going to fall below 2120, this is going to be the short area, and the next target area for the day, for the morning, is going to be 2110, around this area. But it all depends how price is reacting at this reaction area. NQ. NQ continues to be the strongest of all indices. So with very strong market internals, we will look to go long NQ. This is my favorite for the long because it is the strongest of all these other two indices. Yesterday we had a sell action, and we continued until again 10 o'clock, where we have reversed and have continued higher. The new support level for NQ, support level meaning the stop for a potential long, is 47.40. Here at 46.45 is the decision point. This decision point, if we break above this decision point at 47.45, we can continue higher into 47.60. However, this is not going to be easy once we reach this area, since we already have a double top and price was rejected twice from this point. But if we break above this area if we break above this area 47.60, we have high odds of continuing higher all the way to 47.80 and even higher into the 4,800 zone. So it all depends on this area. Now, Please keep in mind that tomorrow we have option expiration day, so that's going to heavily influence these prices and these numbers. They might want Dow to be pinpointed at 18,000, and we might hover around today around that area. So it's going to be a very difficult trading environment. So keep that in mind. Okay, let's move on to CL. CL had a severe sell yesterday. It based overnight and it had a pop from the support area at $43.50. Now, let me remind you that $43 is support area on the daily chart, and also $43.50 is the same support area. So it's a cushion of support at this area. Now, $44 is also resistance. So we're kind of price is kind of captured within these parameters, $43.50 and $44. If price escapes $44, it has room to continue higher for $1 into $45. So watch this area for a potential long. However, if we remain weak, again, this area right here, look at minor time frames and try to find an entry with about 10 to 15 cent stop. You can use a stop over $44, $44.05, $44.10, and look for an entry about $43.90 or 95 cents. If we come back in, you have room to continue lower into $43.50. And you have room to $43, so all the way into this area. And remember, this is a daily support area. GC, and this is gold. Okay, gold is still trading very much sideways, just like yesterday and the day before. So it is into very strict parameters here. It is bouncing off support level at 1321. It's moving into another reaction area at 1326. You can see what happened here with the flurry up all the way to 1332. So for me, gold today is a no touch. It can be either way, because we had this huge spike up. We may continue higher and test these prior highs, or if we are getting a turnaround below 1325, we may come in and test the 1322 and 1321 area, and even 1320 area. So this is a very difficult trade for today. However, we have clear trades for YM, for ES, and NQ. And remember, if we're getting a bullish signal, meaning more green bars to the upside for NQ, so we're going to look for longs in NQ. And if the market weakens, we're going to look to short YM and ES. I'm going to have the day off tomorrow, so I'll see you guys on Monday. And remember, we have a class this weekend, a live class. It's a 7-day, actually, it's a 7-day class of day trading futures that we are teaching from the 17th to the 23rd. The first 2 days are educational comprehensive days from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And then from Monday, from September 19th all the way to September 23rd, for 5 days, you get to trade with me. We have a live trading lab. So if you're interested in signing up for the class, email me at info@tradeoutloud.com, and I'll be more than happy to share more information with you. Hope you all have a great, profitable trading day today, and have a good weekend. See you on Monday.